Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can win showdowns in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Reddit where I found a guy who have some tips on how to win showdowns. As you can see guys right here, the title is Showdown Tips. Just wondering if anyone has any tips to win in Showdown. Anything helps. So this guy said, it's kind of dark, but I've seen some people do this. They replace all their benched players with the lowest possible rated ones, but keep their active players the same. The lowers their OVR while still keeping good players on, matching them with worse team, making it easier to win. There is also this guy who said defense is key. Pressure the ball always, at least as soon as the ball crosses half court. Try to anticipate passes and get up close on the player who is about to catch the ball. When they get it, immediately go for the steal. When the offensive player is stationary about to make a move, this is when they are most vulnerable to a steal. Focusing on defense will get you a ton of opportunities to run. These easy basket transition opportunities of steals and rebounds are how you really run the score up on fools. Three are also important. It's good to have at least two high rated 3-point shooters on your squad. Try to run if possible before the defense gets back, but do not push it too hard when you haven't got the advantage. Every score counts, so be aggressive and run the score up as high as possible in your own quarter. You have no influence at all over your opponent's quarter. Have fun with it, experiment with different lineups and players, small ball, fast 3 points, etc. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.